What's up, y'all? We got a new bike on the channel today. Not only is it a new bike for me, but it's probably a new one for you as well. This is going to be a completely new model from Arctic Leopard, with this being the first post-production unit to enter into the United States, right here in between us. Let's unbox it, get into it, and reveal what's inside. Arctic Leopard, baby. The time and effort Arctic Leopard put to secure this bike is phenomenal. The plywood, the metal borders, nothing's getting damaged, nothing's falling out, nothing's getting crushed. Nobody has packaging like this. We got these metal tabs folded over into the plywood. You just gotta go and get them with a screwdriver and open them out. Hey Google, put the AC to 70 degrees. You're probably going to also need some pliers to bend these tabs straight. Alright, so I haven't really figured out how I'm going to tackle it. I took off the top part for now. You would think you could just undo the bottom and lift it up, but undoing the top part and aligning up the tabs perfectly so that it'll just slip over was a little challenging. So we're going to take the top off now and see what happens afterwards. Oh yeah. Solid packaging, man. Solid. Everything is protected so well. Good job. Let's see, can we just lift the bike up? Is that going to be the best way to do it? I don't know. Alright guys, fast forward all that. This is what the bike looks like in the box. Forks are unassembled, laying on top of the bike. Front wheel obviously is off. There is no axle through a piece of wood mounted to the frame of the box. That's not how this one is. It is instead secured by 4 of these straps. So make sure you remove all 4 of these straps before you attempt to lift the bike. Now we have to install the forks, and then we can install the front wheel. And we'll go from there. 4 straps. Don't forget it. Woo! These guys are Tetris geniuses. Look at this. Crazy. Alright, now we're going to get the front wheel on. This is the positioning of the axle. It can only go one way, so you can't mess it up. But this thick part is going to go on this side. The end cap is going to go on the other side. And don't forget to put the spacer on the inside rotor side. It's going to be a little tight fit, but just shove it in there and it'll eventually fall in place. Get something to prop the wheel up for you, make things a whole lot easier. Just going to get it in position and then put some grease on it. Yep, perfect. Lather it up. I like to put a lot of grease because it's going to make it 10 times easier to remove it whenever you want to change tire or you need to change the tube. So I like to put a lot of grease on. Make sure you do have your pinch bolts loosened all the way, or else this thick part won't fit inside. Alright, that's in. Yeah, there's some excess grease that pops out, but just wipe it off, no big deal. I'd rather have too much grease than not enough. Put the caliper on. She is stiff. Which way do you want to go? This way? Come on, work with me. Remember, cable always routes inside the fork, not outside. I'm just going to get these hand tight. And then once we connect the handlebars and put the brake lever on, then we'll do the brake alignment trick. Yeah. All right, guys, here it is. The Arctic Leopard XE Pro S. Awesome looking bike, great specs. Now we just got to take it out to see how it does. Let's go. Just kidding. Oh man, can't wait. Thanks for watching, y'all.